Hello friends. If you are looking for natural energy boost and a refreshing way to stay healthy, here is my ultimate detox and immunity booster, Moringa tea. This delicious and comforting tea is rich in antioxidants, vitamins and nutrients. Gets ready in just 5 minutes only. The best part is you can use either fresh moringa leaves or dried leaves for this tea. For maximum detox and health benefits, the best time to drink is in morning with empty stomach. If not, try before or after meals. Let's get started. First, take fresh moringa leaves. You don't have to separate each leaf. You can use sub branches as it is. Let's boil 2 cups of water in a pan. Next, add ginger pieces. For the extra flavor, add few mint leaves, it's optional, and a little cinnamon powder, a pinch of turmeric. Then add sliced lime with peels, or you can use half a teaspoon lime juice to beat moringa flavor. Next, add quarter cup moringa leaves. These are more in fact, or you can use little less dried leaves. Don't use moringa powder for this tea, as it doesn't get strained well. Leaves are best for this recipe, either fresh or dried ones. Now do a 5-minute quick boil. As you see, every ingredient is absolutely healthy to aid digestion and kickstart detoxification. This is good enough for one serving. Notice the watercolor changes to green. Let it cool down a minute and strain tea with strainer. As you see, powerful detox tea is ready. If you want, you can add quarter teaspoon honey for sweetness. It's optional. Hope you enjoy my simple nutritious moringa tea. See you again with many more amazing healthy and tasty options. Thanks for watching.